Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. From sowing the seed to potting on, we've already shown you what to be doing with your tomatoes. Today it's early May bank holiday weekend and it's time to get these into the greenhouse. We started our tomatoes off around the second week of March and placed them inside our heated propagator to germinate. From seedlings into young plants, we prick them out and pot them on. Before you even begin planting your tomatoes in their final position, you need to be thinking about support. In the past, we've used canes to stake our tomatoes, but now prefer twist support clips from which we tie string and bury under our plants. Once the string reaches ground level, we usually leave a foot extra to bury so the string is not tight. Then, as the plants grow, we weave them around the string. We've grown tomatoes and cucumbers in this way for 5 years and always had a bumper crop. Our beds go straight into the soil and are 3 foot across. We do 3 plants in a row every 2 foot and space them about 10 inches apart within the rows. We dig down 6 to 8 inches as tomatoes like to be buried deep. Roots will grow from the buried stems and promote a healthier plant. If you, like us, have a little helper handy, make sure they're around to check the quality of your hardware. When planting, bury the string under the plant. By the time you need to wrap it around to support, your tomatoes' growing roots will have fixed it into place. Word of warning though, don't make it too tight. We like to plant different varieties in each row, and this year we will have a go at saving the seeds for next year's growing season. Once planted, give them a good drink. The final step we like to do is mulch the bed. We use half homemade garden compost mixed with a couple of handfuls of fish blood and bone fertilizer and another half of a general multi-purpose compost for bulk. We spread this on the bed an inch or 2 thick to feed the soil, retain moisture and suppress weeds. Try it. Your plants will love it and it makes your life as a gardener so much easier. We then give it a final water. We really hope that you're enjoying watching these videos as much as we are making them. Make sure you've clicked subscribe so that you don't miss any videos as we continue through our gardening journey. See you later.